Hello, I am Vaishali Adinath Paigan from Zil Polytechnic. My project name is Write Down Test Cases on Pencil. Guide name is Dipali Parse ma'am and subject teacher is Sheetal Gaikwad ma'am. In software engineering, a test case is a specification of the inputs, execution conditions, testing procedure, and expected results that define a single test to be executed to achieve a particular software testing objective, such as to exercise a particular program path or to verify compliance with a specific requirement. What is test cases? A test case is a document which has a set of test data, preconditions, expected results, and post conditions developed for a particular test scenario in order to verify compliance against a specific requirement. Typical test case parameters. First, test case ID. Second, test scenario. Third, test case description. Fourth, test steps. Fifth, prerequisite. Sixth, test data. 7. Expected result. 8. Test parameters. 9. Actual result. And 10. Environment information. And last is comments. Testing type. First, white box testing. The box testing approach of software testing consists of black box testing and white box testing. We are discussing here white box testing, which also known as glass box, is testing. Second, black box testing. Black box testing is a technique of software testing which examines the functionality of software without peering into its internal structure or coding. The primary source of black box testing is a specification of requirements that is stated by the customer. Third, gray box testing. Gray box testing is a software testing method to test the software application with partial knowledge of the internal working structure. It is a combination of black box and white box testing because it involves access to internal coding to design test cases, as white box testing and testing practices are done at functionality level as black box testing. This is the test cases of pencil. What is functional testing? Functional testing is a type of software testing that validates the software system against the functionality requirements. What is system testing? System testing is a level of testing that validates the complete and fully integrated software product. Difference between positive testing and negative testing. In positive testing, it is performed on every application. It ensures software is normal. In negative testing, it is performed where are chances of unaccepted conditions. It ensures 100% defect-free software. Advantages. As we all know, negative testing is very important to ensure the quality of a product. Disadvantages. Require skill and experienced people to create negative test cases. To the client, negative testing is another thing that causes unnecessary delay in release and cost adder. Conclusion of the project. In this project, we have successfully understand the concept of test cases, test case parameters, and types of test cases. For example, white box testing, black box testing, and gray box testing. References of the project, internal source, guide, and reference book. Thank you.